There is no light with which to see ourselves in this darkened space. There are many sounds we cannot identify, and two we know well. The rustling of papers in the wind and the distant chords of the piano. Already used to its sound, we function more and more like the music. We see no farther than the next escape on the line of individuation. We see the papers now, spotlit above from God knows where, a wild cyclone disappearing into and emerging from the dark. We propose a radical non-synthesis. Many lines that cannot converge together will find themselves in all manner of interpenetrating connections. We know consciousness. We hear the swirl intensify and we have to think about notation. We are surprised when we finally catch hold of a leaf of paper and the piano stops. It starts again and we start to move in the dark. Now there is a horizon. From it squeeze useful diagrams, a map with a warning. We got halfway through. No, we were stuck between perspectives. No, we were changing notation. We must change negation. What if we continue with this line of reasoning? We know we will lose our solid and our void. We avoid loss. We have a standard metadata model. Haven't we known that the park would tear itself apart? That the car would park itself in our question mark? Haven't we forgotten our instructions? We huddle together to remember. The discussion turns sour and sweet again while paper transfers. The line between the bank and geography is in sight, but chords form when they leave us near and silent. We can still hear the wind, but the paper has all fallen out of orbit. We use a tested system of exchange and multiple points of focus. Without our system, we would not have learned how to transpose each note ringing from that old piano into our new sense of time. If information excites. How to participate in the conversation. Sensible objects push between the figure and the ground. Once we reach the coastline or the riverbank, we will turn one way or the other. Dispersing and connected and moving through the park, we play with the indivisible. We love a mystery.